What's up everyone? So in today's video, I am going to show you on how to create navigations or menus. Okay, it could be main menu or footer menu, but we call it navigation on Shopify. Okay, so from your home page, just select online store and then select navigation. All right, so from navigation, you can see I've already set it up. But if you don't set it up, let me just delete everything here. Delete, delete. Just give me a second here. All right, and save it. Now let me go to the main menu. Okay, delete, delete, delete. Sorry about that, guys. So I already have the main menu here, okay? It doesn't have anything under. All right. So I just need to click add menu item, search or paste a link. So you will see the difference if you start inputting the link instead of the name first. So I would like to add a collection under the main menu, the collection of party light. Okay. So as you can see, it has auto-populated the name, so it will save you time typing. You already have party light. And just add, I want to add one more, collections. And then photo shoot light, it has auto-populated the name. And then add, and then I want to add more, which is the home page. So they can click on home. And as you can see, you have the option to like sort it out. Okay. And then hit save. And then let's see how it looks like. And how you can see it is if you hover the mouse on your online store, you will see the eye where it says view online store. If you click it, it will open to a different tab. And there you can see I already have the menu created here. Okay. And then in case I want to add a nested menu or a drop down menu, this is what I am going to do. So all collections and then save. And then what I would do is to drag it up here below homepage and then drag these two under and let us see what happens. So I have now created nested menu. If I want to add more, I can do that. So just add one more. For example, well, I don't have any thing set up. I only have two, so I'm going to select party light again. And for example, this is not party light. This is just an example. So let's use Christmas light and then add. Now I have three sub menus or nested menus. So if I save it, let me see how it looks like. Refresh. Come on, show up. Refresh one more time. It's not showing up. And I'm going to show you why it's not showing up. Okay, go back to your admin. If the menu you just created is not showing up on the preview, what you can do, go to online store, go to customize, and go to header. You can see the header. And then I am using a desktop. The header will show up on the right side if you're using a desktop. But I believe if you're using a laptop, it will show up here. When you click header, it will show up here. So just check it out. But anyway, I'm using a desktop. So when I go here on this side, right side, you have the option to change the menu. Okay, change it. I can remove this one. This is from the previous one that I created. So select menu and then select the one I just created, the main menu. Select. You can see the preview here. It is already here, but I want to be able to see it on my online store. So if you hit save, go back to your online store preview, F5 or refresh, and then there you go. You can see now the collection. Okay, if you click that, the sub menus will show up. I'm not sure how many sub menus you can create, but you can try and let me know. Okay, so that's how you create menus. So if you want to create menu for your footer, go ahead and do it. Just do the same step. It's going to be the same thing. Okay, and if you want to add more, you can do that as well. All right, so that's it for the navigation tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section, and then follow me for more videos like this.